Welcome to the 8th grade Blue Team. We are happy to have you this year, and today we're going to walk you through each one of our classrooms so you'll know what to expect on your first day. All right, our theme this year is Welcome Friends. So come on into my room. This is room 806. And of course, when we're more than 6 feet apart, we can take off our masks. So I'm Miss Shelton, and my room is the second classroom down on the left, and I teach physical science. So here's how the classroom is set up. And you'll notice as you come in that some of the desks have signs on them. Those are desks that no one will sit at, so we'll have to maintain that 6-foot distance as we go throughout the day. So a little bit about me is, this is my 3rd year at Dan River Middle School, teaching physical science. I'm married, my husband's name is Mark, and I have 2 little boys, Luke and Hudson, at home. So a little bit about physical science. We're going to learn about matter, force, motion, and energy. And some things that you will need for the class are a 2-inch binder, dividers, and a calculator. I encourage any and all feedback from students and parents, so please reach out to me if you have any issues or concerns. The best way to reach out are through email or class tag. We will have that as a team this year. I'm looking forward to having a wonderful year with all of you. Okay, now we're going to walk down the hallway and go to meet Miss Barber in her classroom.
Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Barber. This is room 807. If you have any questions as to which room I'm in, all you got to do is look for the peanut stuff and Snoopy, because, well, that's kind of me. So come on in. Hey guys, my name's Mrs. Barber. This is my 2nd year at Dan River Middle, but this is my 22nd year teaching. I've been in Martinsville before I came here. You'll have me either for Algebra 1 or Pre-Algebra. If you have me for Pre-Algebra, Miss Hawker will also be with us, and you'll meet her in a minute. But we're looking forward to a great year. We're going to do a lot of work. Please be ready to show your work. For me, you come in, you work hard. If you're virtual, you need to check our Google Classroom every day. And you just come in, we're ready to work hard and have a really unusual year, but a good year. So just, if you got questions, let me know. That's the whole thing all year. If you got questions, let me know. Email, class tag, Google Classroom, text message, whatever. We'll get more information out to you later, but for right now, we're just kind of doing a basic, almost forgot. I do have 3 children. 2 of them are grown, 1 of them is a senior in high school, so 2 girls and a boy. And I think that's it. All right, we're gonna take you over to Miss Bunn's room across the hall. So this is Miss Bunn.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Bunn. I teach language arts. I'm in room 810, so if you want to come on in. So you'll be in here for English. We'll have literature books and grammar books that you all will receive. You'll also have a binder for my class. We'll get all of that straight the first day. I've been here for 7 years, and this is my 2nd year in 8th grade teaching. You'll have a reading and a writing SOL test this year, so we'll be covering a lot of areas from novels to your grammar, like capitalization and things. I have also been married for 5 years to my husband, Austin. We have 2 puppies. They're just adorable. And we love to go camping, watch sports. I love all things Harry Potter. You'll hear a lot of that when you come into class. We're really excited to have you here. I know it's a little bit different than normal, but it's different for us too, so we're all gonna work together and get it all straight. Ms. Hawker is also going to be in my 2nd and 4th period class with you all.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Hawker, and I will be working with students in Mrs. Barber's Pre-Algebra and Miss Bunn's English class. And I'm assigned to certain students, but I help all students, and I'm looking forward to working with you this year. Personally, I have two amazing daughters, Elise and Miracle. They're the loves of my life. Like Miss Fun, I have two dogs. My four-legged children, Princess and Prancer. I have a great husband. He is also a school teacher. And I love to sing and write poetry and walk and things like that. So it's going to be a great year. No matter how I teach you, virtually or in the classroom, we're going to make it a great year.
All right, we're going to head down to Mr. Green's class now. Hi, Mr. Green.
Good morning, Mrs. Bunn. Good to see everybody. Welcome to World Connections. I am the only Mr. on the team. And if you would, here's my World Connections little poster, and it's got all kinds of little things from all around the world. And that's what we're all about. The class is called World Connections, and we will be doing world geography, world history, world cultures, and some current events dealing with things going on in the world. I've been at Dan River Middle School for 14 years, actually 13 years. This is my 14th year, and I've been on the 8th grade hall the entire time. So come on in my room real quick. By the way, my room's still a work in progress, kind of like me, kind of like all of us. We're our works in progress. But maybe you can come in and pan around. Mine's the cool room, kind of like a museum with lots of maps and posters and stuff like that. I'm sorry that not all of you will see these things, because only my home room will really get to see this up close and personal. But for those of you who were not in my homeroom, this is your opportunity to see the museum, as it sometimes is known. So there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. And again, I wish things were normal and you could see it all in real life. But anyway, as you can see, things from all over the world, and that's the kind of stuff that you'll be reading about and we'll be talking about. And I'm going to say one thing before I tell you some of the personal things about me. Parents and students, if you would, whether you have in the past or not, I'd like for you to watch the national news. I don't care what channel. If you're a CNN person, watch CNN. If you want to watch ABC, NBC, CBS, PBS, watch that. If you want to watch Fox, watch that. Watch the national news about what's going on in our world. And folks, there's a lot going on in our world. Okay, so there's plenty. And anyway, so parents, please watch with your students. And that's it for the professional stuff. On a more personal note, as you can see, here's Baby Yoda. And I love Star Wars, okay? My favorite rock and roll band is Dream Theater. You'll find that worked into the curriculum somehow or another, some ways or another. But anyway, I have a wife. We've been married for 27 years. I have two grown daughters. Both are out of college. One lives in San Francisco, California. The other one is living at home. She just graduated this last May. And anyway, I went to East Carolina University a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. I went to University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, where I got my master's degree. And I think that's basically it. But I'm someone, ladies and gentlemen, that believes, if you would pan over to that poster right there, Miss Van Allen. With education, I can become more powerful than you can possibly imagine. I believe in that quote, and I hope that you too will believe that with education, you too can become more powerful than you could ever imagine. All right, that's it for the blue team, and I hope to see you soon.